Today I'll be testing out this Rapitest soil test kit. I'll be able to test my pH levels as well as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Went out into my lawn, got some soil plugs out and just sifting through, getting some debris out. Just want to make sure it's completely dirt and nothing else. For accurate testing, it says to use water or distilled water. I'm going to go with bottled water. And my first test will be the pH level. And you want to fill the comparator there there's a little fill line, fill that with soil. And next I'm going to go ahead and break up the capsule. After the capsule, I'll go ahead and fill it to the next line with water. And once that's filled up, put the cap on and we'll go ahead and shake it and get that agitated and then just let it sit about a minute and then the color should form which pH. So I took another soil sample, filled to here. So they say you do 1 part of soil to 5 parts water. So I added 1 scoop of soil and then my bottled water. I added 5 capfuls in here and then you stir it. Now you're just supposed to wait for it to settle. Could take half hour to 24 hours. Here is my soil and water that is settled. We'll go ahead and extract that into these 2 containers for the potash and the phosphorus test. And we're gonna fill that water to the line and add the 2 different pills, agitate it and let it rest for about 10 minutes and we should get our results. Now I'm adding water to the test section, but you also want to add water to the comparator side. It just kind of helps clarify the colors, helps you determine a little bit better of what range your test results will be. It's been about 5 minutes and so far it looks like this is on the lower end and my potash probably on the lower end as well. Give it another 5 minutes for more conclusive results. Alright, so these final 2 tests, I would say this is a little bit on the lower end. My phosphorus, I mean, it's not high. I'd say it's in the lower levels, as well as my potassium. It looks like it's on the lower end. So for my lawn, maybe like a 16 could help things out. And then I did my pH test earlier. This is an easier test to do, and that was falling probably about 7.0. Probably in between 7.5, 7.0. So it's probably safe to keep using ammonium sulfate.